This is my This is my V-Wolf 150. Have the HIDs, AKs on there. Let me show you my turn signals. I did them custom. They're not here. They usually come left. They come right. They're actually about right. Let me turn them on for you. My blinkers right there. Left to the right. Pretty cool. I made it for the 150. Got the acrophobic exhaust there. Sounds really good. I'll show you. Then I have the LEDs on here as well. LEDs at night. What else? Oh, see, hand grips, red. I have the shorty levelers matching, as you can see. See, shorty levelers. Again, if you have any comments or anything that you want to know, I have it here. Just comment. I'll respond as fast as I can. Like I said, I only got 800 miles on it. LEDs here. Let me see. My next, you know what I'm saying? My next upgrade is eliminating my fender, getting an intake. It's jetted to a 110. I mean, the scooter's fast, man. It's fast. It's got a lot of power. And you know what I'm saying? Subscribe, and hopefully you like my channel and enjoy. Thank you.